Have an E2P file from a previous photo printing session? This is a project file from Canon's earlier photo printing software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and work with these Easy-PhotoPrint EX project files. Pro tip: for E2P files that won't cooperate, you need a dedicated magic solution. I'll share my secret weapon program once we've exhausted all 3 troubleshooting steps. E2P files are photo project files created by Canon Easy-PhotoPrint EX, the photo layout and printing application included with Canon printers. They contain photo print layout configurations with image references, crop and zoom settings, paper size selections, border templates, and print quality parameters for producing photo prints. Canon Easy-PhotoPrint EX E2P files use a proprietary XML-based format, storing project layout data with image file, path references, positioning coordinates, crop rectangle definitions, border style selections, paper size and orientation settings, and Canon printer-specific quality configuration parameters. The source application for E2P is frequently listed as Canon Easy-PhotoPrint EX from Canon Inc. To enable complex features within the file, a dedicated program is necessary. Windows offers limited insight into layers or effects, so compatible design tools are necessary. Open the context menu by right-clicking the E2P file and selecting Open With. Start your test with Canon Easy-PhotoPrint EX if it shows up. If not, don't hesitate to try several other programs on your list. If your E2P file will not open yet, do not panic. The failure means we need to check the fundamentals. Let's perform these 3 essential system and file checks immediately. First, opening an Easy-PhotoPrint EX. Launch Canon Easy-PhotoPrint EX and open the E2P file using File then Open. The photo layout project loads with all images, borders, and settings. Ensure all referenced photo files remain accessible at their original locations. If Easy-PhotoPrint EX is not installed, download it from Canon's support website for your printer model. Next, updating photo references. If photos appear missing in the project, the original image files may have been moved or renamed. Use the Replace function within Easy-PhotoPrint EX to relink missing images to their current locations. Browse to each photo file and select it to restore the image in the project layout. Finally, migrating to current software. Canon has replaced Easy-PhotoPrint EX with Easy-PhotoPrint Editor. Open your E2P project in Easy-PhotoPrint EX and print or export the layout. For future projects, create new layouts in Easy-PhotoPrint Editor, which offers updated templates and features. E2P files are not directly compatible with the newer editor application. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.